PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 31st day of March. Hey, you know what tomorrow is? April Fool's Day. Tomorrow will be a quiet day, but for the moment, we've got some active weather down to the south. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots this afternoon. There's the Birmingham view looking north from the top of the Daniel building. It's been a cloudy day with some rain and thunder, even some hail in spots. Let's look at the Gulf of Mexico coming from the Skycam down at the Phoenix All Suites. Awfully choppy-looking surf on a stormy day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. And from Mount Cheaha State Park, the sky cloudy over on the eastern side of the state. There's our big trough rotating through just northwest of here, adding dynamic support for showers and storms in progress across the state this afternoon. Look at the watch warning map. We've got severe weather boxes down south, flash flood watches also from Mobile all the way over to Jacksonville, that whole Interstate 10 corridor. And up north, still a blizzard warning for parts of South Dakota, winter storm warnings up for parts of Minnesota, as the winter just will not go away up there. There's a peek at the radar at 2:05 this afternoon. Mostly light rain around, nothing heavy up on this side of the state. All of the really serious action down south, where a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 7 o'clock tonight for a large chunk of South Alabama, pretty much along and south of a line from, say, Butler to Montgomery to Eufaula. I say Montgomery, that's actually Fort Deposit. It does not include Montgomery County. It's Lowndes County. Whatever. Big storms down south and very heavy rain. They don't need that. They've been inundated with rain as of late. But that's where the best chance of any severe weather will stay. There's the risk area for this afternoon and tonight. A slight risk for the southern, really third of Alabama and much of the Gulf Coast region. No risk defined up here, and I think that's right. The air just cool and stable. Tomorrow, a slight risk off to the west as the new wave comes in. Places like Tulsa and Paris, Texas, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And on day 3, Thursday, got a large risk from Little Rock and Monroe, Louisiana to the Atlantic coast. That includes all of Alabama. And the enhanced probabilities, again, over the entire state of Alabama, Mississippi, much of Georgia, 30%. And be a system to watch. Let's get the stuff out of here tonight. We can really focus on that tomorrow. And don't forget Sunday, day 6, another risk of severe weather. And yeah, buddy, that rain just keeps on coming. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. 10 inches near Apalachicola. And that's the great concern for flooding down there. Around here, the amounts are 1 to 2 inches, and that's probably about right. But some spots could definitely see more. And again, you have to wonder if maybe these big convective masses down south will block the inflow and maybe keep us from having a big severe weather problem Thursday and Sunday, but we sure can't guarantee that. Tomorrow, there's a look at the GFS, valid at noon tomorrow. This is the 12Z run. And you can see we've got a southwest flow aloft here. The surface front is on to the east, that wave that's coming through today. But here comes the new surface low that's developing in eastern Colorado. We'll go to Thursday. Very strong vortmax digging down through Arkansas. At the surface, midday Thursday, the surface low near Little Rock, under 1,000 millibars. Gulf wide open. 6 o'clock Thursday evening, this could be problematic. You got the deepening surface low near Paducah, Kentucky, and all of Alabama in the warm sector. And really, there's not much of a sign of a big MCS on the Gulf that would block us here. And some of the numbers look pretty impressive. The EHI values, in some cases, have been over 3.0. So understand that could be a potent severe weather threat Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. We'll go to midnight Thursday night. The surface low is near Indianapolis with the storms on the way out. If anything, this run is a little faster. This is suggesting the main window will be noon to midnight on Thursday. And again, with numbers like that, all modes of severe weather possible. Friday, that's on by. We start to clear. A little cooler, but not much. Highs in the 60s. And then Saturday looks like a beautiful day. Sunny with a high in the 70s. But yeah, we see that new low developing in eastern Colorado. And Sunday, another trough, another storm system. This time the surface low is over Jefferson City, Missouri. But certainly that could support strong to severe storms on Sunday. And then Monday of next week, that's on by. Tuesday looks dry. Wednesday, another trough of next week, the 8th. This run keeps the action to the west. Then on Thursday the 9th, there we go. Rain and storms. So about every 2 or 3 days, something blowing through here. Very persistent, active pattern. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 16th. Trough off to the west this time. That looks dry, but again, we just don't see any evidence of this active pattern breaking down anytime soon. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video posted here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.